No need. No, they won't ask, right? Because everyone are here. Their exams completed. No, it's no need. Yesterday's also no need, sir.
So yesterday if you want, like same thing you didn't know.
Same thing.
Okay, fix
Sir,
it.
especially no need, sir. Because that no need to do that. With no one.
Yeah, see, if you're requested to collect notebooks tomorrow for grade 12
What's that?
from the school campus.
See, very good.
Yeah, timing is 9:30 to
No,
12:30.
this is the same thing they sent, and then they sent me the screen that
I got confidence that I'm going to 12. I got confidence now. Because that is muddy.
Bro, even if you fail, they won't take any notes. No, if you do 11th again, you will still need notebooks.
Oh, pass bro.
And if you're in a relative. Again.
I'll wait, I'll go to private. Peace. Anyway, only safe is start to study.
But I actually asked my dad, which is this cashew. How come the time?
Looks like masala cashew.
Hello, sir.
Reading from. Bro, he looks like Abhilash was Imagine you and Abhilash are like that.
Hi, Bhargav.
Hi, sir.
See, you know,
Hi, Risha. Hi, Anjali.
it has a
When properties are planned, it's done.
None, sir. That was
Sir,
yesterday.
can you revise the whole thing again?
we spoke to Hudson because from today we will start everything again.
Yeah, you're gonna revise the whole syllabus.
Because some KV students are not coming.
KV people no one are coming.
Nobody is there, sir. Only we are
Only
there.
Prajwal is there, I guess.
So
I don't know
it's
that.
not
One
KV.
Anirudh is there.
Yeah,
Only
that's-
two people, sir.
so Hudson told from today you should start everything again.
Sir, can you hear me?
So he told he will be doing revision on the whole syllabus. I mean, revision in the sense like
Wait. And so you last. Oh shit, I forgot my competitive math.
nice.
Sir, you're doing competitive or board level?
Competitive.
Competitive is good.
Sir, you have NDA question papers.
In NDA, you do CBSE, that is enough.
You don't have, sir.
Sir, can you get it from here? You provide a lady of the wonderful.
So they sent you the questions, so you're not.
So that day, full busy.
Sir,
So
thank God it is
that
not.
is easy problems.
Sir, something was missing in the question. That's why we asked.
Yeah, it's a question now and we are done. We didn't know that.
Which question, bro?
From state and question.
Yeah, worksheet question. So what are we doing? So we came because he will be
From
revising.
starting, I will explain.
Yeah.
No, not explanations are like explanation only is competitive.
Properties of land is 50% complete.
So wait, I tell you, last thing what we attended is limits.
Limits are.
After that, what did you do? Limits.
Limits completed.
Yeah.
Binomial theorem completed.
From binomial theorem.
Yeah, by limits also half I left.
You need no, that I not really what is question.
So limits, I tell you from where I stopped competitive. Limits half, like what I came. Quarter, and then binomial theorem I didn't attend. That from binomial theorem I didn't attend anything.
So just
Now, properties of land is 50% done. Correct?
So videos are
Then
there.
again, videos is there.
you
Then again, I will explain. No, I will explain. Because
yes.
only one class, maximum one class enough. This class enough.
Which one?
Properties of land.
So but
Yeah, because in binomial.
Binomial theorem. Already 50% completed. No? After that, I will start.
So binomial theorem is there for 12.
What?
Binomial theorem is there.
11th only.
Competitive,
Competitive.
you need everything.
Competitive. Not board.
so
Mathematical reasoning is removed.
So physics,
Binomial
chemistry,
theorem is removed.
Mathematical
And one more chapter also removed.
statistics also they removed in our school.
Statistics removed.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
they did.
we didn't have to.
Sir, they told when 12 start to say 2000 for you. So they remove that.
I Actually, we did statistics for
That is easy.
4 consecutive years.
Statistics competitive level is over.
6, 7, 8, 9, no, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah,
4 years
we did statistics. Like in school, we did statistics for like 4 years.
So is the 10 statistics and 11 statistics same?
Then once again, I will explain properties of triangles.
So, could you like explain all the chapters from this?
So limits and derivatives and basic problem with differentiation.
One minute. So, everything like, from the start.
All chapters.
Yeah.
Completed.
Yeah. I
Case
also be
of-
attending.
case at level.
Yeah, because even I will attend for
Not
national
case
level.
at level, means level.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
so I don't mind.
Yeah.
I'm going to attend till our school starts, like till
March.
this time KB
Full March.
I'll be attending. So sir, if you can cover it with all the people, I can sit and listen.
Okay, all chapters completed. We start, but before 5 pending chapters is there. Properties, binomial, and the conic section, permutations and combinations.
Probability.
Probability next year. Already second year also probability is there.
Oh,
It is interrelated. Okay, 3D also second year is there.
Permutation and combination.
3D also second year is there.
Yeah.
3D level. Then probability level. Then
Probability.
permutations and combinations, binomial theorem, conic section, properties of triangles, mathematical reasoning.
so can you start competition and then the focus sessions? Because we already know those.
No, no. Right now.
Properties of triangles is most important chapter.
Okay,
Chapter
sure.
level.
Next.
Already 50% is done.
Sir, I don't need it. I'm
No.
sitting here listening.
Today, students are not public.
KV
Full
students?
month.
No, all the public schools.
Prajwal is not KV.
Okay.
Only the girls from KV.
Sir, can you hear me?
Sir, now full March, nobody will come. Only we three will come, Prajwal will come. Nobody is coming, sir. That is why I'm telling you start from binomial theorem. Because before binomial theorem, you did limits, no? So after limits, you did binomial theorem, then you went to triangles. Right? What did you do after binomial theorem?
So what do you use in this?
Actually, properties of triangles 50% done.
Sir.
So that those students are not coming.
Those students.
Once again, I will not teach you.
Then binomial
Then
theorem.
I will not start.
Yeah. Sir, tell him nobody is coming. Very few coming.
On YouTube doing this.
I'm obsessed with no exam खत्म हो गया है मैं बोलते you already listened
Good evening. Prajwal,
Yeah.
Prajwal, tell me one thing. You have attended all the lectures of properties of triangle, correct?
Yes, sir. But my notes are
No.
not completely complete.
No, not completely. Okay.
Not
So
completely.
tomorrow, actually, two more students, your guy, friends, Shirish and
Shiraj.
this one more guy. I don't
My
remember.
friends.
No. They are no, not yours. So tomorrow they are coming. So today, anything else we can do so that we can start properties of triangle tomorrow?
So I
Small one,
mean,
which one, which we can do, and
so
okay,
could just revise triangles of. I mean, it's a very big chapter as far as I've seen. It's pretty important to know.
which
So
one?
you
Which
can
one
do
you're
that.
saying, Prajwal?
Triangles only, properties of triangles.
Triangle is a big chapter. Properties triangle is a big chapter.
Yeah.
Which one we can do, sir? हाँ ठीक है tomorrow from ठीक है so we'll do one thing, sir will continue with what he has taught today. हाँ तो you You start with that. So today, triangles, you start from the beginning. Okay. So Prajwal
So-
has not attended that one.
No, no, I
Okay.
have attended. I have
No, he
attended
said that
from the.
the first lecture you have not attended. He's
So
telling
I mean, how is that possible? I mean, because he started properties of triangles with me only. There was no one else, no, before me.
sine, cos, tan rule. He has not attended. Have you attended sine, cos, and tan rules?
Can you write the rules?
He will. Sir will discuss you with you.
So if I've done all this, so should I leave for today and then continue
हाँ
from
ठीक है, you can do, just discuss
If
with
I-
sir. If it's not new, then you can leave. Okay.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Sir. Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, Prajwal.
So I've been there since the MK theorem, like in triangle ABC, if D is any point on BC,
Okay.
such that BD to the ratio DC is equal to M to the ratio N. I've
Okay.
been that.
You know sine rule, cos rule, tan rule.
No, sir, I think I need to stay for that then.
Okay. Okay. Then I will start sine rule.
Yes, sir. So once you reach the MN theorem, whatever the theorem's name is, so can I leave then? Because after that I've learned everything and I'll join some next classes.
Okay. Okay. Then today.
Yeah, I'll do
today
the sine cos rule for now.
I
I'll do
will
that.
start today sine rule, cos rule, tan rule, half angle formula.
Yeah, you do that. So
Okay.
I'll just say.
Okay. Okay. Properties of triangles. First one is sine rule. The sides of the triangle. The sides of the Prajwal, right?
Yes, sir, I'm writing, sir. You can just teach them, and if I have a
The
question.
sides of a triangle are proportion back side, front side, right? The sides of the triangle are proportion to the sines of the angles. Sines of the angles opposite to them. Sides. Sines opposite to them. Triangle of angles the sides of the triangle are proportion to the sines of an angle opposite to them. In triangle ABC, In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, A by sin A is equal to small b sin B is equal to small c sin C. Ah, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Hmm. This is the triangle. Triangle ABC. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. Then proof. Proof. Hmm? See, A vertex opposite is side is A. Then B vertex opposite side is small b. Then C vertex opposite side is C, small c. Small a, small b, small c. Let A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to, let us take K or lambda. Then A by sin A is equal to K. Then B by sin B is equal to K. Then C by sin C is equal to K. Then cross multiply here. A is equal to K sin A, comma. B is equal to K sin B, is comma. C is equal to K sin C. Okay. Huh? Then A, B, C, fine, no? A, B, C. And also reciprocal, right? Reciprocal. Sin A by A, sin B by B, sin C by C is equal to lambda. Take one more. Lambda. Lambda, let us say 1 by 1 by K. From equation 1 and 2. 1 by K, na? Let us take lambda, take. 1 by K. In triangle ABD, right? in triangle. Oh, this side is not visible. Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that side wasn't.
Okay.
Now it's fine.
In triangle ABD, sin B is equal to here. In triangle ABD, sin B is equal to AC by triangle ABD. Completed, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Ah. In triangle ABD, then sin B is equal to AD by yes, correct. AD by AB. AB is equal to here AD by C, right? AD by C, opposites. Then in triangle ACD, find sin B is equal to AD by C. Then same thing in triangle ACD. Now sin C is equal to AD by B. AD by B. Now here AD is equal to B sin C, right? AD is equal to B sin C. Here AD is equal to C sin B. Equation 1 here, equation 2 take here, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. From equation 3 is equal to equation 4. From equation 3 is equal to from equation 4. From equation 3 is equal to equation 4, right? C sin B is equal to C sin B. This is second. First equation already is equal to K lambda. Then C sin B is equal to B sin C. Then after that, here send denominator. C by sin C is equal to B by sin B, right? C by sin C is equal to B by sin B. That is equation 5. Similarly, you can write. Right. Similarly, Prajwal, understood? Prajwal?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm writing.
Similarly, you can write A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. See here. AD is equal to C sin B. Then compulsory equating. No other way. Here equating only. C sin B is equal to B sin C. Then sin C send denominator. C sin C send denominator. Then sin B send aside denominator. Lambda here. In place of lambda 1 by k take 1 by k take means same equation is coming. That's why lambda. Triangle only. Which one? This one. Huh.
This equation and first equation, why do we take that?
So you're taking K, right?
Oh, now he got these two, now these two, they put a lambda. Okay, that one by lambda.
Hmm?
And lambda into sine you're going to
C sin C is equal to B sin B. Tell. Similarly,
So why did you use K and lambda? Why did you use that?
this one.
Like you have written also.
See, yeah, actually, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Semi-perimeter.
No, no, no. This equation you have given K, right?
Ah,
Like why did you use K?
then simply lambda or any variable constant. Okay, done. Prajwal. Prajwal.
Sir, done, sir. I wrote it.
Done. Okay. Competitive. But this chapter proofs is important. Only this chapter. So many proofs is there. Sine rule, cos rule, understanding concepts. If you don't want means questions you want? Huh? Sine rule. Okay, concept wise problems I will tell. Okay, sine rule, after that cos rule, like that.
Same only. So A by cos A, B by cos A, C by cos A. It is same or different?
No. Cos A, what is the formula cos A? B square plus C square minus A square upon 2 BC. Cos B, like that, right?
So then tan will also different.
Tan also different. Okay, wait. No down problem. Okay, done. Prajwal.
Sir, I've written, sir. Yeah, I've written all this.
Okay. Then problems. In a triangle ABC, such that, first problem, sine rule. Angle A is equal to 45 and angle B is equal to 75. Angle B is equal to 75. Then find A plus C root 2. A plus C root 2. Option A, 2A, 2B, 2C, none. Oh, then how to do? Concept wise problems doing, huh? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then angle C is equal to, obviously here A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then angle C is equal to 180 minus A plus B. Correct. Then C is equal to 60. Then after that, sine rule apply. Find. Already A is given, B is given, angle C. Side find. Side find. A by sine 45 is equal to B by sine 75 is equal to C by sine 60. Then find. What? Sine 75. Bhargav? Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay. Right. Root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Sine 45 plus 30. Sine A plus B form. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Then let us take here K. K we say. Prajwal, tell answer. Which option is right option?
Sir, I'm doing, sir. Just a second.
Sine 75 degrees.
Is it 2B?
Huh?
No, I'm not sure. I think it's
Tell.
2B. B.
Tell.
B
2B,
option. Wait, I'm not sure. I'll do it one more time.
Here A by 1 by root 2. Here B by root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Here C by 1 by root 2 is equal to K. Okay. Then here now, here condition is given. A plus
So B
P
option.
root 2.
It's B
Prajwal?
option only.
Which option is right option?
B.
B. Absolutely correct. Now A plus C root 2. Now here K by root 2. K by root 2 plus root 3 by root 2 into K, right? Correct. Then Correct, huh? K
So
by
I
root
did it
2.
in a slightly different way. I took it like A
Here
sin
root
A
3
by.
by 2 into root 2.
Yeah, I didn't use
Okay.
K.
Huh.
I actually found the value of sin 75.
Huh.
So I put it like A by sin A is equal
Now
to
here.
B by sin.
Uh,
But same answer, both were same answer.
Same answer.
Yeah, you'll get the same.
Then K into root 3 plus 1 upon root 2, right? Then after that. 2 root 2, right? Here.
It's 2 root 2, so sin 75 is root 3 plus 1, 2 root 2.
K 75 degree, right?
K is sin 75.
Then here 75. B is equal to K 75. Oh, here 2 into, right? Here 2 into 2K sin 75. Here 2B. Huh? Root 3? Oh, here sin 60, huh? Here root 3 by 2. Correct. Then here, root 3 by 2 K into root 2. Correct. Okay, understood here. Understood, Bhargav. In a triangle ABC, if A square comma B square comma C square. Hmm. Okay, I will explain. Cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP. Tell, madam. Here 2K into here multiply and divided by 2. Here multiply and divided by 2. 2 here numerator K common. Here root 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2. Correct. Then here root 2 into k by 2 into root 2. Root 2 by 2, 1 by root 2. Then take LCM. Numerator is k common, root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Not 2 root 2, only root 2. Then multiply and divided by 2. See, before step is k into 1 plus root 3 upon root 2. Okay. K into 1 plus root 3 upon root 2. Then multiply and divided by 2. Multiply and divided by 2. Okay. In a triangle, if a square, b square, c square are in AP, then prove that cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP. Then how to do?
So you're gonna prove this?
Hmm.
Okay.
This one, mains. Mains. Then how to do? If a square, b square, c square are in AP, then 2b is equal to a plus c. Then here squaring is given, no? A square, b square, c square. B square minus c square is equal to a square minus c square. B square minus a square is equal to a c square minus b square, right? Here b square minus a square is equal to c square minus b square. Okay, then sign apply both sides. Apply sign. Apply sign. Sin b square minus sin a square is equal to sin c square minus sin b square. Then what is the formula? Sin b square minus sin a square. Sin a square minus sin b square. What is the formula? Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. But same thing, right? Sin b minus a into sin b plus a. Same thing here, right? Prajwal, understood?
Yes, sir.
Then both
I didn't
sides.
understand the sign part. How are we supposed to add sign to this?
Huh?
What are we supposed to do with sign in this b square minus a square?
Sin square b, right? Sin square b, right?
Okay, understood.
Minus
And then sin
square a, right?
is equal to sin square c minus
Sin square c minus
sin square b.
sin square b. Now here sin square b minus sin square a. What is the formula? Sin b plus a into sin b minus a.
Yes.
Formula. You forgetting formulas.
No, sir, I just told that and then I started with
Then same thing here, right? Is equal to sine C minus B into sine C plus B. So, A square B square. Okay.
Then you went to capital,
Then here angle A, small a upon sine A, capital sine A. Correct? B upon sine B, C upon sine C. Here sine A plus B. Here sine A plus B. Understood? Now sine A plus B here in place of sine A plus B is equal to sine C, right? Here. Here sine C into sine B minus A is equal to here sine C minus B into sine C plus B. Sine C plus B is equal to here sine B plus C is equal to sine A. Now here sine A, right? Sine A into sine C minus B. Now here open sine B minus A minus B form. Sine B cos A minus cos A sine B. Right. Here same thing, right? Here also C minus B. Then dividing on both sides, sine A, sine B, sine C. Then we will get cot. Done? Prajwal, understood Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here sine C into sine B cos A minus cos A sine B is equal to sine A into sine C cos B minus cos B sine C. Now multiply sine C sine B cos A minus sine C cos A sine B is equal to sine A sine C cos B minus sine A cos B sine C. Now dividing on both sides, Sin A, sin A, sin B, sin C, right? Understood? Here dividing on both sides, sin A, sin B, sin C. Then we will get daily practicing problems, then easily solving any problem. PDF, huh? Then I will uploading. If you want means I upload. No, I am not uploading. I'm gonna upload. No, I am uploading. Prajwal done?
No one, sir. Just a second.
Then after that, cot A minus cot B is equal to
This is still part of
sine
sine
rule.
rule.
Sine rule where? No. Different question I will give. See, this is sequence and series. Sequence and series, AP. Then AP find by using trigonometric formula. Interrelated to properties of triangles and trigonometry. And sequence and series also. You know AM, GM? AM is greater than GM. Relation between AM. Not proof, problem I will give. Yes. In any triangle, in third one, any triangle ABC, prove that pi into sin square A plus sin A plus 1 upon sin A is greater than 27.
But how do we do this? I really do not
Sigma.
understand.
Sigma is addition. You don't know. Like that here sigma is given, suppose. Addition do. Here pi means multiplication. Here sin square A plus sin A plus 1 upon sin A, right? Here sin square A plus sin A plus 1 upon sin A, right? Now sin square A sin A plus here 1 plus 1 upon sin A, right? Then same thing, right? Multiplication, sin B plus 1 upon sin B. Sin C plus 1 upon sin C. Pi means 27. Then we will get answer. Simple. Okay, Prajwal, understood?
Yes, sir.
Do.
So could you just do this one
Yes.
in a couple of minutes?
Tell. Here pi, LHS. We have sin A plus 1 upon sin A plus 1. Sin B plus 1 upon sin B plus 1. Sin C plus 1 upon sin C plus 1. Then after that, hmm? Hmm. 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 Hmm? A plus B plus C. Hmm. 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 Do answer tell. AM is equal to A plus B by 2. GM is equal to square root AB. HP is equal to 2AB by A plus B. HP. AM, GM, HM, sorry. HM. Geometric mean, harmonic mean is equal to 2AB by A plus B. Here 3 is given. 2 is A plus B by 2. 3 is A plus B plus C by 3. That side, same thing. A plus A into B into C whole to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, same thing right here, whole to the power of 1 by 3. Then sin here cancel, no? Sin B get cancel. Here 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Then 3, 3 plus 3 into 3 into 3. Then we will get answer. Correct, no? Here greater than sin A into into only. Hmm. Hmm.
So I'm not really understanding how to do this. So can you just do it fully?
Hmm. Hmm. That's why I'm checking. A plus B plus C. Then ABC. Then how we will cancel? Not cancel. Then this whole thing is A take AB, BC, CA. Then otherwise, okay, this question is wrong. I think tomorrow I will tell correct or not. The next cosine rule. Cosine, cos rule. Prajwal, this question I think wrong. Then tomorrow I will explain.
Okay, sir.
After that, BC, BAB, BC, CA. In any triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, cos A is equal to, first one, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA. Third one, cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Sorry, 2AB. 2AB. Cos, tan and half angle. Now sec rule is not there. Cot and tan, cosine, sine. Proof. Ah, is there? Proof is there. No, no, no. Proof I will explain. One I will explain. Remaining cos B, cos C we should do. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC. Now, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, right? AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square plus DC square. Then after that, after that, hmm. DC square means BC minus BD, right? DC. BC minus BD whole square plus AD square. Then AD square is equal to then this one is open, A minus B whole square. BD square minus 2BC BD plus AD square. Then after that, BC is BC. A square, right? BC. BC A square. BD. AB square. AB square. Minus 2BC BD. Two BC BD.
So can you take BC at A and BD at A by 2?
Since here BD is equal to C cos B, right? C cos B. Okay. Correct only here, correct. AD square plus BD square, AB square, correct. Correct, correct. BC is A. C square minus 2BC is A. 2A into BD is C cos B. B square, BD is C cos B. Then AC square is equal to B square, right? B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Okay. Then two AC cos B is equal to A square. Hmm. The problem is wrong. Ardham, no, already done. Okay. Hmm. Minus B square. Hmm. Tell. Cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Similarly, you can write, similarly, you can write cos A and cos C. Cos A and cos C, right? Same, direct right. Hmm. Then problems. Okay. Okay, done, Prajwal?
Yes,
Okay.
just 1 minute.
Ah. Cosine rule. First one, in a triangle ABC, if A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C is equal to 3AC, then find angle B. Just now complete. Angle B is equal to 60, 90, 30, none. A plus B plus C into A minus B plus C. Hmm. Hmm. A. Huh? How A? How A? 90. Tell. Correct, Ananya. First option is right option. Hmm. Hmm. 60. Cos B is equal to 1 na? How?
Oh, she expanded the whole thing. That's the fact, I know. Yeah, a square plus. No, 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 no.
A plus C whole square, A square minus B square form.
No, no, no. She expanded the whole thing. A square minus AB.
Here 3AC, no? One is simply 3, right? 3 wrote, no? Hmm? Three AC minus 2AC. No, no, no. Wait. Here A square plus C square minus 2AC minus B square is equal to, huh? Hmm. Okay. Then both sides dividing 2AC. Okay. Then here AC get cancelled. Prajwal understood? Prajwal? Here
Yes.
both sides 2AC divided.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Now here 1 by 2. Here cos B. Cos B is equal to 1 by 2. Then angle B is equal to 60. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Angle B is equal to 60. Okay, then next. Okay, small problem. Oh. Do mains problem, do. Case it only. This one case it. Now mains. Second one, in a triangle ABC, if angle A is equal to 60 degree, then find the Then find the value of find the value of 1 plus a by c plus b by c into 1 plus c by b plus a by b is equal to 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 3. Answer B. B. Ab- Absolutely wrong. Not guessing, Ananya. Huh? Solving. Here angle A is equal to 60 is given. Next tell C. Then next D. Then three, three options is wrong. Then D. Huh? First do. Then angle A is equal to 60. Now here cos A is equal to cos 60. Now cos A is equal to 1 by 2, right? Now cos A formula b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc, right? Correct, huh? Is equal to 1 by 2. Then cross multiply here. B square plus c square minus a square is equal to 2 to get cancel bc. Which one? D. Answer D. Oh, here mistake. Here minus. No. Answer is correct. Then take condition. Hmm. Here, see here, take LCM. Here I am writing here b plus c minus a. Listen, b plus c minus a. Here b plus c plus a. Numerator. B plus c plus a upon c into b plus c minus a upon b, right? Now here b plus c plus a, b plus c minus a, b plus c whole square minus a square, correct? A square minus b square form. Now here b plus c whole square minus a square upon bc. right? Now here open. Here open. B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square upon BC, right? Now here B square plus C square minus A square. B square plus C square minus A square is equal to BC. 2BC plus BC, right? Upon BC. 3BC upon BC. BC get cancelled. Then we will get C, 3.
Got it, sir.
Understood, Prajwal?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got it.
Okay. Option D is the right option. Then I will give one problem homework. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. Okay, easy problem will give. Homework. In any triangle ABC, if 2 cos B prove that the triangle is isosceles. No options. Isosceles means
So is that all for today?
yes,
Okay,
Prajwal.
thank you. I'll
Okay,
leave.
thank you, Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye. Tell. Where? Hello, madam. Here B plus C whole square. Tell. Okay. B plus C whole square minus A square is equal to BC. Now here BC. Okay. Here B plus C plus A upon C, B plus C minus A upon B. Okay. Then B plus C whole square minus A square, numerator upon BC. Then after that here B plus C whole square open, B square plus C square plus 2BC minus A square upon BC. Listen, upon BC. Now here B square plus C square minus A square is equal to BC, right? 2BC plus BC. Minus BC. Then options is given, no? Then next class tangent, tangent. 5:30 tomorrow.
Differentiation?
Notes I want to do because I'm weak in differentiation.
11th or
11.
11th differentiation.
No, if you want, like, no, I want, if you have handwritten notes, if you can send. Like,
Handwritten note is there.
so can you send that? Only differentiation part I want to use in there.
I will send. Then tomorrow 5:30.
Yes, sir.
Proofs you want? Proofs?
For,
That one, differentiation.
yes, sir. Like, I need to understand a little because I'm weak at differentiation.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
12th, you have to